Greetings, this is Proof Ruby, the Nostalgic Catholic, with another Isaac Asimov short story. In this magazine, it does mention Asimov on the cover, but the art is pertaining to another story. In the table of contents, it will tell us that Isaac Asimov's story is the very first story contained in this. Rain, Rain, Go Away by Isaac Asimov, starting page 4. Okay. Now, this, apparently, like the other one, has no artwork, and it does have a couple of blurbs. I like the way it goes. Rain, Rain, Go Away by Isaac Asimov. Okay. And one blurb for the story says this. It was hard to get to know the Sakharovs. They kept so to themselves. It was all so strange. Dr. Isaac Asimov is, of course, a biochemist working in cancer research. I didn't know he was doing that. He is also the originator of the 3 basic laws of robotics, and, to quote Judith Merrill, the world's foremost fictional authority on the positronic brain and robopsychology. Very, very popular in SF fandom. Ike will, of course, serve as Toastmaster at the detention banquet this Labor Day weekend. Ooh, nice little event there. Oh, gosh. All right. Previous installment regarding the obituary. It got collected into Asimov's Mysteries. Okay. Now, returning back to the current story. This story, by the way, gets collected into Flying Jupiter and other stories. So, enough of that, and unfortunately, once again, I have been unable to find or discern any textual differences between the two beyond the blurbs that I've just read. That said, he doesn't have much to say in his books even about those where they're published, so at least nothing that says anything about their story content. So, what is Rain, Rain, Go Away? It's really a rather insubstantial bit of fluff. There's this family, they're kind of strange, they're always watching the skies. It's very difficult. They seem kind of antisocial because when they're out of their house at all, which is very rare, they'll pass by, go hello, whatever, and just go on their way really fast. Are they avoiding you? Not really. The lady goes over, the lady living next to them, the main person, she and her husband are the persons who the story is told from the standpoint of, goes over and finds them very hospitable, very friendly, very this, very that, very clean. Okay. But and that's fine, and they might finally manage to agree on some sort of a trip to the park. Apparently, the Sakharovs have a child about the age of the, well, let's see, what's the name of the other family here that's concerned here? All right, George Sakharov. George is a nice boy, Tom. I didn't know Tommy was backward about making friends. Well, it's hard with this Sakharov. Maybe Tom's their boy. So, it's hard to find the name here, but I know it's in here. Lillian. George and Lillian. Alright. Tom seems to think they're from Arizona. They seem to have problems understanding clouds. So, I forget. Oh, the Wrights. As in like Oliver and Wilbur and Oliver Wright, that kind of Wright with a W. So that's George and Lillian Wright and their boy Tom. I don't really caught the name of the Sakharov's son, who's about the same age as Tom. They go to the park, they have some fun, there's amusement stuff, there's rides, there's this, there's that. For some reason they're able to eat a lot of cotton candy without any problems. Although I note the name, Sakharov. I wonder if that's related to, like, saccharin? Just a thought. Anyway, turns out they do have one gigantic fear, and that is getting rained on. I mean, they are seemingly very irrational about rain, getting caught in rain. 90% spoiler. turns out they do get caught in the rain and they had good reason to be afraid. I'll just leave it at that. And that, I'm afraid, is the story. Sorry there isn't more to it than that. Thanks for listening.